I've made over $300,000 on YouTube, and this right here is just one of my 9 different YouTube channels, and I did all of this without ever showing my face. So what if I were to tell you that you could make money on YouTube without making any videos? And I know that sounds crazy because you probably think in order to succeed on YouTube, you need to do things like get behind a camera. Now, what if I were to tell you that you can actually make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? And that's exactly what I do. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels. I've gotten over 1 million subscribers on YouTube on a channel where I never even showed my face. And like I said, I run 9 different YouTube channels, 8 of which I've never even shown my face, and I don't make any videos for. But let me be clear, it wasn't always like this. In fact, just a couple years ago, I was a completely broke high school student. And when I say broke, I mean I was literally broke, like $0 and 0 cents in my bank account. And I was really depressed at the time as well, waking up every day for school, just dreading hearing that alarm clock every single morning, because I knew that when I was finished with high school, I was going to have to go to college, which I don't want to do, and then work in a 9-to-5 job for the rest of my life, which I also didn't want to do. And I was just asking myself at the time, is this really the meaning of life? Now, at this time, I had no clue what I was going to do. However, I knew one thing. I knew that I didn't want to work in a 9-to-5 job for the rest of my life. And I knew this was possible. I saw people on YouTube living their dream lives, being able to travel full-time and making a lot of money from the platform. So I started a YouTube channel and I just uploaded all these different random videos, like videos of me and my friends, gaming videos, backyard stunts and stuff like that. And I'd be lucky if I got 30 views on a video. Now, that was until I came across a YouTube channel called Top 5s. Top 5s is a YouTube channel that uses other people's videos but does a voiceover on top of the videos, making them transformative and fair use, and they upload videos like the top 10 scariest videos on the internet. Now, the thing about these videos is that they actually get millions of views, and this channel could potentially be making a lot of money. So, you know what I did? I took this really crappy iPhone that I had and I recorded voiceovers and with my super high-pitched squeaky voice, and I would edit the videos on my laptop and I would upload them onto YouTube. And I started a channel just like this channel, Top 5s, and I was generating and uploading a new video every single day. Now, I did this off and on, learning through trial and error, seeing what works, what doesn't, disregarding what doesn't work, and doubling down on what works. And then fast forward a couple of months, I had my first success. I had a video get over 100,000 views in the first week of uploading it. And I remember telling all my friends on the school bus that day, showing them the analytics to the video. Now at this point, I didn't even know that you could make money on YouTube. YouTube was like a game for me, so while all my friends were playing video games and stuff like that, I was playing the game of YouTube, seeing what works, analyzing what works and what doesn't, and doubling down on what works. A couple months later, I discovered that YouTube has something called the YouTube Partner Program, where YouTube will put ads on your videos and you'll get paid for every single ad impression that you get on your videos. So I applied for monetization, got my channel monetized, and almost like flipping a switch overnight, since my channel was already getting so many views, I was already making $3,000 a month. Now, this was more than all my friends, and back then, this was life-changing money for me. And I'm sure this would be life-changing money for a lot of you guys out there as well. I mean, imagine just making an extra $3,000 a month if you only had one channel. Now, this is where things absolutely skyrocketed for me. So I was realizing that I was spending all my time generating and uploading these videos, and a couple months after I initially turned on monetization, my channel was actually making $9,000 a month, more than my parents, more than my friends. I had my first video get over 1 million views on it, and even though things were going great, I was spending all my time generating and uploading videos for this YouTube channel, and I knew there had to be a better way. So I hired a couple of freelancers online to put together a content team to make the videos for me. And this worked so amazingly and freed up my time so much that not only did I have time to do other things, hang out with my friends, all that kind of stuff, but I also now had time to run multiple other channels. So I started making new channels in different niches, outsourcing those channels, getting other people to make the videos for me, and this is how it is now scaled to running 9 different YouTube channels. I've gotten over 1 million subscribers on one channel, got the gold play button from YouTube, got over 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels, getting me a few silver play buttons as well. So it would be an understatement to say that YouTube has completely transformed my life, and my sincere hope is that it can transform yours too. So that's why I put together a system called Tube Secrets. Tube Secrets is a step-by-step system designed to show you and reveal exactly how you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. It doesn't matter if you've never uploaded a video on YouTube. It doesn't matter if you don't want to appear on camera, and it doesn't matter where you're from. Tube Secrets will show you exactly, no matter who you are, how to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. And if you want to get this blueprint, simply click the button below me to join this online program. And inside, you're going to discover some of the best niches to do this in, how to best optimize your channel for views and subscribers, how to best optimize your videos to go viral, and most importantly, how to make money on YouTube. And I even reveal secrets on how to make up to 10 times more money than most YouTubers. And you might be saying, Matt, how is this program so cheap? Well, the reason I price Tube Secrets so cheap is actually for a very selfish reason. I sincerely want you to get results, and I want you to start making money on YouTube so I can use you as a case study for future people to join this program, and so hopefully we can maybe do business together in the future. And because of that, this program will only be this cheap for so long. This is a limited time offer, so if you want to join Tube Secrets at the cheapest this program will ever be, then you can simply click that red button below this video. And I really look forward to working with you if you want to work with me. I put so much time and energy into Tube Secrets, making it the best it possibly could be to ensure that you can get results and start making money on YouTube without ever making any videos, without showing your face, without anything like that, without even getting in front of a camera. And like I said, I know that sounds crazy, but trust me, this is the exact information that I've used within my YouTube business. And while I can't guarantee that you're going to get results or make money on YouTube or get 1 million subscribers if you join Tube Secrets, what I can guarantee you is that you're going to discover the same exact tactics that I use, up-to-date techniques in my YouTube business. This is what I'm using. This is what all of my successful students are using to have success on YouTube. And in my opinion, YouTube is the best business model on the internet because it doesn't require a huge upfront investment. It doesn't require all kinds of time and energy, and it doesn't even require any technical skills. So if you want to take part in what is, in my opinion, the best business model on the internet and discover from someone who's actually doing this tactic, who actually runs 9 different YouTube channels, then click that red button below this video and you can join Tube Secrets. And I really look forward to seeing you on the inside. If you want to join, I really want to work with you, and I really want to reveal this potentially life-changing information. And I know it might sound crazy, like, how could this change my life? Well, let me tell you, YouTube has completely transformed my life, and while I can't guarantee that this is going to transform your life because I can't guarantee that you're going to actually take action at the information within this course, but what I can tell you is that this information within this program is information that I'm using every single day within my YouTube business to make over $30,000 a month from YouTube, over $1,000 a day, and that's just ad revenue. There's some other monetization methods that I'm going to be revealing to you within Tube Secrets in which you can actually make up to 10 times more money than most YouTubers. And I really look forward to showing you these monetization methods, how to actually go viral on YouTube, techniques that are working right now. I've never seen some of this information within this program anywhere else on the internet. So if you want to discover this from someone who's actually doing this, then this program is for you. And like I said, this doesn't require some big upfront investment, tons of technical skill, and it's really not even that hard to do. So if you want to discover how to do it, just click that button below this video. I really look forward to getting started working with you, and I really look forward to revealing to you this incredible information and this incredible blueprint and system and business model so you can replicate it for yourself. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for considering jumping into Tube Secrets. I really look forward to hopefully seeing you on the inside, and hopefully I'll see you within Tube Secrets.